What's up, Katropa fam? This is Ann, your buddy, your friend, your Katropa. And of course, Bitcoin all-time high na naman. Ilang beses nga na na-break ng Bitcoin ang all-time high niya. And November 22, 2024 guys, na-hit niya ang highest na all-time high na $99,645 sa isang pirasong Bitcoin lang. And guys, because of this, ang daming yung nagkaka-interest na rin sa crypto and kung paano sila magsisimula sa Bitcoin. And how you can actually start trading Bitcoin, guys, is to go to an exchange or trading platforms. And isa nga dyan, guys, isa dyan sa mga exchange na yan kung saan pwede kayong makapag-trade ng Bitcoin ay sa VVBit, no? So, this is a new digital asset exchange platform na pwede nyong subukan. And napakadali lang mag-register, guys. All you need to do is to click on the link on the description box below. Then, guys, dadali niya kayo dito sa VVBit website where you can register. So, all you need to do to register is to input your email. Then, may papadala sa inyo na verification code. Input nyo lang din yan dyan. And then, pwede na kayo ng password nyo. And, yan, sign up na. Then, guys, once you log in, you will see kung ano yung mga promotions na ongoing ni VVBit, no? So, merong mga newcomer promotions, mga staking promotions, and all of that, no? But, currently, big promotion they have ongoing is yung kanilang Thanksgiving airdrop event, no, which will run from November 18 to December 1. So guys, ito yung mga registration rewards na pwede nyong makuha if nakapag-successfully register kayo on VVBit and complete KYC verification. May ma-receive kayo na 0.1 UTN. And meron ding invitation rewards. So that means for everyone na ma-invite ninyo, may makukuha kayong 0.1 UTN and walang limit sa invitations yan. May leaderboard rewards then. The top 3 users with the most referrals will receive additional UTN rewards, and ito yung mga pwede nyo makuha. So once you log in, guys, makikita nyo kung ano yung mga pwede nyo matrade, no? So hindi lang naman BTC yung pwede nyo matrade dyan. Pwede rin yung matrade yung ibang mga cryptocurrencies pa. But guys, please take note that this is no way financial advice. And take note din, guys, na bago pa lang tong platform na to. So kung ititry nyo siya, guys, huwag kayong maglagay na masyadong malaki. Maglagay lang kayo just enough to try out the platform kung magustuhan nyo siya. At the same time, pwede kayong may makuha mga additional rewards through their promotions. Pero guys, itong Thanksgiving airdrop event nila, hindi nyo kailangan magpasok dyan, guys, no? Kailangan nyo lang mag-register KYC and you can get 0.1 UTN and also through inviting. So, kahit lang gusto nyo lang tignan yung platform, kahit hindi kayo magpasok ng kahit ano, pwede na kayo kaagad makakuha ng rewards through this event. And that's it for today's video, guys. Please don't forget to like and follow. And of course, follow nyo na rin yung ibang socials natin. Lahat yan nasa description box below. Until next time, mga katropa. Bye-bye!